welcome to the Colton family crib. Come on in. Okay, so whenever you walk in, you have the mini, it's like a living space, a sitting area. It's not super big where I'm going to put a sectional. I'm still like thinking of what I'm going to put in here, but I'm thinking like a sitting area as of now. But it has a lot of windows. It's so much light, so you guys can see. And we have not officially moved in yet, so I wanted to do the empty house tour before any furniture came in because it is coming soon. But we will be dusting the house tomorrow morning and cleaning it and getting it ready. So this is that. Follow me this way. To this side is the hallway where all the bedrooms are at. And if you walk this way, we have the living room, fireplace, and the kitchen. But I'll show you guys this now. They did put new floors, new paint, so you guys will see the blue tape around the house still. And I'm excited about this. Okay, and then what I like also is that the living room has the wood floor. I didn't want carpet all over. And then if you walk this way, this is where the table is going to be. This is where we're gonna sit, eat, have breakfast, have dinner, and all that. And don't mind the mess. Me and Ray are eating, but you have to have chips. This is the island. I've always wanted an island. We are going to be replacing a couple things. This way, everyone who's come over has brought me cute little snacks because they know I love that. We have the microwave, which is going to be replaced, the stove, the oven, and if you look this way, this is where the fridge is going to be. So it's pretty basic. And then if you keep walking this way, right here is what I believe they called it the Butlers. Something, I forgot the name. But basically here, what we're thinking of doing is either like a coffee station or maybe even like a bar station. We're still debating. And if you go this way is my pantry. So it's pretty big. It has space all around. There's the light. And for sure it's gonna be filled with a lot of chips, sodas, cookies, and a lot of junk. If you keep going this way, you're back at the living space that was in the entrance of the door. So follow me this way. We're walking out towards the hallway, and what I like is that it's not a super long hallway because long hallways kind of scare me. So I feel like everything's placed appropriately. This is just a closet, like a coat closet. Also, I did want to mention it is a one-story home. We did look at a lot of two-story homes, but whenever we saw this one, we just fell in love with it and we thought it was perfect. So if you go this way, right here is the guest room. This will be the guest room. So if you're watching this and you're coming to sleep over, whoever, this is your room. Okay. And then it just has like a basic 2-door closet. And if you follow me over here, we have the bathroom. And what I like about this bathroom is that it has a dual sink and it has a door there. And then you can also close this door if you want to shower or use the restroom. And people can still come in here and wash their hands. Now if you keep going, over here we have the laundry room. What I hate washing clothes and I hate folding them. But what I like about this is that it has a sink in case I want to like hand wash some clothes. Yeah, como Mexico. And this way is our garage. I won't be showing you because it's a little bit dirty still, but it is a 3-car garage. And which is good. Now over here we have my beauty room. So I'm hoping we talk about lighting, 100. We'll see about the lighting, but this is going to be my beauty room. I don't have a beauty room right now, so I'm super excited about this. And it's pretty big. I'll probably have like vanity, shoes, clothing, I don't know. You know what a beauty room looks like. So if you follow me this way, this is Sebastian's room. So as of now, Sebastian sleeps with us, but he is going to have his own room, so hopefully I can get him used to it. He has his closet. And yeah. Okay, now if you walk this way, it might be a little bit dark just because there's not a light bulb here yet. But this is the master room. Oh gosh. Show me. They're sleeping. This is the master bedroom. There's not much to show. If you walk into the room, the bathroom, we have the shower, we have the bathtub, and most bathtubs are not like really deep, they're small and George will not fit. So this one's very deep and he actually fits. We have the dual sink, and if you go this way, we have the shitter, the toilet, and then this right here is George's closet. And I say George's closet because he refuses to share this closet with me because he says I get my own beauty room, so this should be his. But we all know I'm gonna have my clothes in here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour. It is an empty house tour, so hopefully in a couple weeks, once I have everything set, I can do a furnished and done house tour. I do have a pretty big yard, front and back, but I won't be showing you guys that only because we are completely remodeling that. We are completely putting everything new. So hopefully I can show you guys the process of that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour. Let me know down below if you have any ideas specifically for this room because I'm a little lost, which is the living space when you come into the door. And yeah, give me some ideas, okay? And thank you so much for watching my video. Time for you